The Pyrex, Simply Store 14 PC Glass Food Storage Container. Set is a versatile and practical solution for all your food storage needs. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing reviews, I can confidently say that this product is a must-have for every household. One of the standout features of this product is its high-quality glass material. Made from durable and food-grade glass, these containers offer a safe and healthy option for storing your food. The glass is also BPA-free, ensuring that no harmful chemicals leach into your food. This is especially important if you're concerned about the safety of your family's meals. This storage container set comes in a vibrant and attractive multicolor design, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. The different colors also help you easily distinguish between various types of food, making organization a breeze. With a capacity of 900 milliliters, these containers are perfect for storing a variety of food items.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.